Okay, so today I want to talk about something in the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz, but I guess it's also for new ones. It's this button here, which is called locked. And once you lock it here, it actually just means that you automatically turn into the four-wheel drive mode. You see that here. And that's kind of useful if you have a weather condition like we have today. You shouldn't drive with that all the time on. Regarding to the manual, you should turn it off when not needed. And so that's actually the function of that lock button. It's really just that you can tell your car that you want to have the all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive all the time. It's not like you have differential locks like you have in a Jeep or in a G-Wagon. It's not like these locks. It's really just telling the car, please be in all-wheel drive all the time. So just in case you wondered what that means on your Hyundai Santa Cruz, it's just that function, and then you can turn it off again if not needed. Usually if it's light snow like we have today, you don't need it, and the car often is smart enough to turn on the all-wheel drive on its own. But let's say you go up a steep hill and you know that you need the all-wheel drive all times, or you tow something, then you can override the electronics and tell the car by pushing that button, hey, I want to have all-wheel drive all the time. Don't even consider going back to two-wheel drive. And that's the function of that button.